Hello and welcome to MOTOCOM tutorials. So now in today's tutorial, I'll be letting you know how to set up an online dating website. So let's get started. Now after the user has purchased and downloaded our multi-concept WordPress theme, we need to proceed with the activation of same. For this, we will go to Appearance tab. Next up, we need to proceed with the activation. Further, you will be redirected to authentication page where the user needs to copy paste the key which he can get from members area and save the changes. So you'll get a successfully authenticated message which will ask you to click here. Further clicking here will take you to the plugin installation page where the required plugins need to be installed. First and foremost, will be required to download the basic required plugins. Here you can see two options to install the same. First, auto install option gives you to install all the plugins within a single click. Next up, the user can also choose to manually install one by one all plugins. I am opting for the auto install option. So as you can see, the plugins have been successfully installed and the page will refresh. If you see this page, we need to go again back to the plugin screen. For this, we will go to the Settings tab and Plugin Screens option. So we are back to the plugin installation page. Next up, as it is a dating website, we need to install the plugin related to the same. So you can see that online dating service plugin here. And I am again opting for the auto install option. As you can see, the plugins have been successfully installed and now the page will refresh. So next up, the user can either choose to build all the pages from scratch and put the content or opt for a demo installer plugin. I am opting for a demo installer plugin which I have already downloaded it on my desktop. So we can choose to upload the same. For this, we will go to Plugins tab and add new option. Here you see the option to upload the plugin. So further clicking on this, we need to put the file. So you can get it like the key from the members area. We need to activate the plugin. Now you will be further redirected to the page where you can see 17 niche demos and you can filter it accordingly. Like current, it is a dating matching website. So you can see the demo here. You can choose to preview or import the demo. I am going for importing the demo at the moment. As you can see, the successfully imported tab and now the page will refresh. Now I'll show you how our site looks like. So here it is how our site looks like. You can also check how it works. Create account, find matches, start dating. The plugin that we have used gives you the facility to also private chat with the customer or the partner and also have a webcam. You can also check your love quotient here and calculate along with the success stories. You can also make the changes in your site from the backend. Let me show you how. So here you can see the recontour plugin. So you can choose to make settings at the general. In the general, you can choose where the plugin page will be. Select the country from the drop down. So number of days in jail. Like you can also hold any subscribers account here. Use members pictures as WordPress avatar, you can checkbox this as well. If you want to delete old messages during maintenance, so you can choose it annual, monthly or subscription. and after making the changes in the setting, you can save it. In similar way, you can change the settings for login. Like you want to enable the app ID for Facebook login, enable rapid registration, do not request a new password after registration, you can check with, or redirect to the plugin page, and after making the changes you can save it. Similarly, you can make settings for the display as well. Display a different name than the login, you can choose to add number of portrait on logged out plugin homepage, minimum width of the portrait or logged out plugin homepage, number of days to wait before the presence of homepage. Display profile search in a new tab. Similarly, if there's anybody's birthday, profile currently online, enable the chat option, geolocation, and number of photos one can put. After making the changes, you can also make it to save the changes. Similarly, you can do it for emails and CSV. Next up, you can make settings changes in the members as well. So you can see the number of registered members, the members with profile and photo here. You can also choose to put the email ID and see the details here. Next up, our plugin gives you the option to suspend account for a particular number of days. The admin can see the profile of the clients here. Next up, we can also see the data as per the country and regions here. So that's all about the online dating website. Thank you for watching the video.